Hello all, welcome back. Today's video is about eBay-like auction sites where users can bid on the products. This is my homepage and notice that I haven't logged in yet. So there's only one navigation link which leads us to this homepage. First, let's have a look at this page, and what this page shows us is all the auction listing inside this website. We can click on the image or its name to see more information and interact with it. And on top of that, if you have already logged in, you'll be able to start bidding on this project. So alright, to experience this web application to its best, let's log in first. Now I've logged in as John, and you will notice that there are two more navigation links. So let's create a new card as John. So for its title name, let's say bicycle. Description, pretty good product. Starting big, let's say 99. Categories. When it comes to category, we can either choose one from the existing categories in this drop-down list or enter a new one. So for now, let's enter a new one, vehicle. And for image viewer, I've pasted the link I've already copied. And now a new card or a new item has been added to the homepage. Now let's click on the other item, but this time I've logged in as John. So let's bid on this item with $43. Now we cannot bid with the amount lower than the starting price, so let's bid with 44. Alright, now these status are updated and it says I cannot bid anymore until another user bidded with a higher amount. So what this item would look like from the perspective of another user. Now I've logged in as Thorin. Well, let's try bidding with the same amount as John. Now we cannot. We must bid higher. So let's bid with 46. Now Thorin becomes the current highest bidder, whereas John has to bid again in order to win the auction. Alright, let's take a look at what this item would look like again from the perspective of list owner. Here you cannot bid, but you can see a different status, and you have the ability to close the listing. Here's the confirmation alert browse pops on. Yes, continue. Yes, once the listing is closed, and then its status become closed, which used to be active earlier. This is how bidding in this web application works. Alright, we can also give comments on the listing, and let's give a comment like hello world. Yep. Now as you can see, I've commented. Well, I dare say that you've been curious to know what this button works. Yeah, it's simple. When I click on that, this item will be added to my watch listings. So if we remove, now we can see a message as there's no listing added to our watch list. Again, the watch list differs according to each users, and each users will have their own watch list. So, and in this item, there's no button, as it is created by the user itself. Now let's take a look at how this dropdown works. Obviously, it filters the items according to its categories. Alright, finally, to see what's happening underneath the hood of this web application, let's look at the Django admin interface. Here's the Django admin interface, and now as you see in this database, I've used 5 models: bids, comment, listing, users, and watchlist to keep track of all the data of these web applications. So of course, we have complete control over all the data in this Django admin interface. So let's delete this item we've created earlier. Yes, I'm sure. Now it's been indeed affected. Yep, that's all about my web applications, and hope you enjoyed it. And my name is LiQWYD, and this is CS50. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel here or check out my other videos. So see you in the next video. Cheers.